Hey guys, Mrs. Matway here. Um, Welcome back to school. Craziness right now. So we're going to pick off exactly where we left off with mining in the Amazon. We started looking at a source, I think it was Thursday before we left, to try to understand a little bit more about how environmentalists, indigenous government, and business feel about mining in the Amazon. So these little video tutorials are going to take you step by step through the different steps you should take in order to kind of pick these sources apart independently. So our first step is actually pretty simple. We started this together on Thursday. It's read the source, and as you read, highlight or circle any unknown words in red. Okay, so we did that a little bit together. So I'm going to just show you a sample right now. No matter where you live, the Amazon matters. As half the world's remaining rainforest, it produces 20% of the world's fresh water and 20% of our oxygen, but it is under threat by us. We are heading deep into the Amazon basin, a place you can only get to by motorbikes. We are here to do a story on illegal miners who are destroying this pristine rainforest. So I think a lot of us must have changed the word pristine to red, a word that's really not a common word used by sixth graders. So that's step one, changing the words to red. Step two is actually fairly simple. You right click, you go to define pristine. And I always like to look at synonyms, although this one doesn't have any, but it says in its original condition or unspoiled. So right next to pristine, I'm going to write in parentheses, original condition. So it's how it was when it first started, new, natural, without being touched by humans. Then I continue reading. Illegal gold mining is considered by some as the new cocaine because illegal gold mining is 3 times the value of cocaine production. And Peru is the #1 producer of cocoa paste. That gives you an idea of the scale of gold mining. So if I was a sixth grader, maybe I don't know what this word means, cocaine. Maybe I'm not sure about production. I change that to red. And also maybe I'm not sure about what cocoa paste is. So I'm going to just highlight that in red. So once again, very simply, I'm going to right click and I'm going to click define. There might not be a synonym. Use the dictionary to find words or synonym for cocaine. So you might have to do an explore to see what comes up. Is a powerfully addictive drug. Okay, now I know. I'm going to type it in. How, oopsies, what's going on? Powerful drug. Oops, it's not in red. So I'm going to change it to red. Sorry, guys, my internet service is really crummy because I am using my phone as a hotspot. So things take a really long time. I'm going to look up the word production. Oops. Oh my goodness. And it means to make. All right. So making of a powerful drug. I got that now. And I'm going to look up cocoa and see what comes up. It is it's the leaves that are used to make cocaine. Used to make cocaine. All right. So they probably grind them up into a paste. So that's steps 1 and 2. To change the word to red, right click on it, and then add in a synonym or something of the definition that makes sense to you so that when you go to watch the video, which is not right now, you will be able to better understand what the people are talking about in the video. Good luck, guys.